Interesting job today. Large tree on the edge of a bank, power lines on one side, warehouse on the other side, and then a small car park that we can use. So the methods we used, so we zip lined all the foliage down to the car park and processed it down there. We got a crane in to crane out the logs. Crane was able to get nice and close to the tree, which is really good, and then drop the logs into our truck and away we go. All done.
The job went well. It was a blue gum, Eucalyptus globulus. Because of where it was on a bank, on a very high bank, we couldn't conventionally rig them down, so we had to set up a controlled speed line or controlled zip line. It was a bit tight, close quarters, because we've got lots of high power cables here, and there's another little gum there that we needed to watch out for that we didn't break anything. It was good fun. In before the wind picked up.
Yeah, it's recording. Can you hand it to Gabriel again?
Yeah, if you want to.
Tomorrow we got the crane coming. Should be able to pick the wood right out the top. Should be an easy day.